Hey guys, welcome to Cubing Cards, and today I'm going to teach you how to solve a Rubik's Cube under 1 minute. So let's begin the video. So to learn a cube, you must be familiar with the cube notations which are used in the algorithms like R, R prime, U, U prime. If you don't know how the cube notations are used, you can go to my channel and view the video in which I have told about the cube notations in detail, and you would be able to understand how the cube notations work out. The common pieces of a cube, like this is the edge piece, this is the corner piece, and this is the center piece. So it would help you out while solving the cube. Scramble to scramble my cube while facing green, white on the top and yellow on the bottom. So the first step to solve the cube is you need to make a plus which has yellow in the center and four white edges. So yellow in the center. Now we need to find four white edges. So it's one over here, two over here, and 3. So you just need to put it like a plus 1 2 3 4. So this here we have got 2 3 and 4. So as you can see, I've completed my plus with center yellow and 4 white edge pieces. After doing this, you need to see beneath the white edge and match the color which is over here to the centerpiece. So if it's not matching, you need to do U and go to the right side. Still not matching, do U again, go to the right side. Still not matching, so go U on the right side, and if it's matching, do F2. F2. Now you need to go to the other white edge piece. So it's over here. U, go to the right, matching, F2. Next, orange, U, not matching, U, go to the right, matching, F2. Next is red, not matching, U, go to the right, matching, and do F2. So now as you can see, we have completed a plus, or rather white plus, with all the colors organized in the center. So now the next step is to put all the corner pieces on the correct position. So for this you need to do or find, uh, first I'm going to take white, blue and orange corner piece. So let's find. So mm, yeah, it's over here. So we need to take it out and just put above this empty space over here and do a small algorithm: R U R prime U prime, 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 R U R prime U prime. So as you can see, the corner piece has been attached to its correct position. So now let's move on to other. So it's a blue, red and white corner piece. Now we'll find the place. So it's over here. As you can see, red, blue and white and an empty space. So we'll attach it over here by doing the same algorithm: R U R prime U prime, 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 R U R prime U prime. So as you can see, it's attached. You need to note that until and unless the corner piece is on its correct position, you need to keep doing this algorithm. So we'll move to our next piece, which is red, green and blue. I mean red, green and white. So it's over here, red, green and white. So now you just need to do the same formula again. R U R prime U prime 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 R U R prime U prime. So as you can see, it's also attached. So we'll move on to the next piece, which is over here, empty space. Just attach it. R U R prime U prime 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 R U R prime U prime. So as you can see, I have attached this also, and by this we have completed our first layer. So here we need to find edge pieces that would attach over here. So the first one is orange and green, so we'll find an orange and green centerpiece. They're over here, and this piece is, it should be attached over here. So we'll see which of the color of this edge piece is facing us. So it's orange, so match it, its centerpiece. It's over here, it's matching. Now green is lying on the left side, so we'll apply the formula or algorithm for left, which is u prime L prime u L f prime L f L prime. So as you can see that it's connected over here. Now moving on to this, they both are matching. Orange is on the left, so we'll do again the left side algorithm. U prime L prime U L f prime L f L prime. So now as you can see, this is also connected. Now we'll move on to the third piece, which is over here. So you just need to replace it by any of the four over on the upper layer, and take this out of here as it's not the correct position of it. So it's on the right side, right? So we'll do the right side formula, which is u r u prime r prime f r prime f prime r. So as you can see, it's replaced over here, and a piece would be up on the upper layer. Yeah, it's over here. Now you just need to attach it over on the left side, as blue is on the left. So we'll apply the left side algorithm. U prime L prime U L f prime L f L prime. So it's also attached. Now moving on to the next piece, it's over here. It's red is facing on the left side, so we do left side algorithm. U prime L prime U L f prime L f L prime. So as you can see, we have completed a second layer by this. I'll show you a chart to help you with the left and right algorithms. Moving on to the third layer, as we have completed the first and second layer over here, you would come across three situations. The first one is like an opposite type of L over here, and second is this straight bar, and the third one is only a square over here in the centerpiece only. So first we'll see the first situation. For this situation, you just need to apply this formula f u r u prime r prime f prime. So as you can see, we have a plus. That means we have overcrossed the situation. Moving on to the second situation, it's a bar, so you need to apply this formula f r u r prime u prime f prime. So we have got a plus over here too. So on the third situation, you can apply any of the formulas which I have told in the first and second to get that, and you will get a plus also. So now as you can see, we have this. You just need to see if the beneath the yellow edge piece, it's matching with the centerpiece. So you just need to rotate and see. So now we'll see they two are matching. We need at least two. So they two are matching. So we go to the left one and just put the cube on the left side from here and just do a small algorithm. R U R prime U R U2 R prime and then U. So as you can see, all the edge pieces are on their correct position, and now you just need to sort out the corner pieces. So we'll find a corner piece which is on its correct position. So none of them are, I mean this one is on its correct position. So we'll take it on a right side, this corner piece on the right side, as you can see it's now, and then apply this formula U R U prime L prime U R prime U prime L. And now you can see that almost none of them have gone on the correct position, and it's still on its correct position, this one. So we'll do this formula again. U R U prime L prime U R prime U prime L. And now we'll see that they all are on their correct position, as you can see. Now if this type of situation comes, you need to take the color which has been made or been twisted on the correct position to the left side and start it from the right. You need to do this algorithm to solve this cube. R D prime R prime D prime R D R prime D prime R D. You just need to do it until and unless this gets flipped and over here and goes over here. You don't need to switch the cube to any of the side, just hold it like this only. Now after twisting this piece over here, you just need to do U and then start doing the algorithm again. R prime D prime R D R prime D prime R D. So now as you can see, it's also been made, and now we'll go to the next and do the same algorithm. R prime D prime R D R prime D prime R D, and just sort this out. Now as you can see, I've completed the cube. So it's very easy, and with practice you can complete the cube in under or in 1 minute. So if you like this video, please subscribe, like, and if you want to see the normal cube notations, you can go on my channel and see the normal cube notations. Thank you for watching.